According to leaks by mysmartprice.com and OnLeaks, the phone's display will be 0.1 inch bigger than the A54 at 60.5 inch Full HD display that is 2220 by 1080 pixels with the same 120 Hz refresh rate. Embedded within the display in a form of punch hole will be a 32 megapixel selfie camera, the same as the Galaxy A54, while the rear cameras will include a 50 megapixel main lens. Some rumors also suggest that the Galaxy A55 will be powered by Samsung's own chip, the Exynos 1480. The new chipset is expected to be a 4nm solution featuring 4 high-performance CPU cores clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 2.05 GHz. The CPU is paired with the Eclipse 530 GPU, a custom GPU that Samsung co-developed with AMD based on its Radeon graphics technology used in PC graphics and flagship Exynos chips. The device will run Android 14 out of the box with One UI 6.1 on top. The Galaxy A55 could have 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of space. There might be more storage configuration though. Currently, the information we have about the Samsung Galaxy A55 is limited, but we expect for more leaks in the upcoming days. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.